If you're looking for a dorm refrigerator that's quiet, spacious, and easy to set up, then this one is a great find. I bought this 3.2 cubic mini fridge with a freezer compartment for my daughter's dorm room, and I've been really happy with it right out of the box. I was impressed with the packaging, and it arrived encased in styrofoam, and everything inside the refrigerator was securely taped in place, so nothing shifted during shipping. Mine arrived in perfect condition with no dents or scratches, and the finish has a really clean, consistent look after plugging it in. I wasn't sure it was running because it's very quiet. The compressor is barely noticeable, and it cooled down really fast. I like the size. It's slightly larger than a typical mini fridge. It has adjustable shelves, a small freezer compartment, and even a fruit and vegetable drawer. But really, my daughter's just going to be using this for drink, snacks, leftovers, and frozen item. I think that this is an excellent refrigerator for a dorm room, office, or smaller apartment. It's quiet, keeps everything nice and cold, and holds a surprisingly amount of food and drinks. And the quality has really impressed me. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a dorm fridge.